Busy days call for deep sleep that restores your mind and body. Quality rest will replenish your resources during the coming day. Give yourself the opportunity to unwind before bed. Enjoy a moment of peace in the evening and prepare your body and mind for a good night's sleep. Look back on your day with positivity, satisfaction, and inner peace. Listening to soothing voices and sounds before bedtime improves the quality of your slumber. Give your body permission to relax. Take slow, deep breaths. Immerse yourself in the world of fairy tales, calming visuals, and soothing bedtime stories. Good sleep will help you wake up rested and refreshed. Feel happier and be more productive the next day. Good sleep will improve the quality of your life